I'm very happy we're coming out of winter with Anthony Bourdain's Lost Stew. We're going to cook this for the first time. Welcome back to Bourdain.
Everybody should know how to use a knife.
Use everything, waste nothing.
Let's start at the beginning. It ain't that hard, okay?
I hope you're doing well. My name is Mitch May, and I recorded this entire video without the audio being captured, so we're doing it for the second time. We are working through every recipe in Anthony Bourdain's layout cookbook, doing every recipe for the first time, this one for the second time. Today, we are making a Frenchman cry, Pot-au-Feu, literally meaning pot on fire. As you can see, we already have this lovely check mark because I cooked this recipe before. The OG stew, as far as I'm concerned. Today's recipe is going to be modified because I bought what I could afford and I'm using what I have in medieval fashion. I did make this for my family and they loved it. So Anthony Bourdain's book is listed in the description of this video. You can pick up a copy through that link. So we had a bunch of wonderful cuts that I prepared last week, such as oxtail, brisket, short ribs, veal shank. The voice hates it. Today, we're going to use frozen lamb chops from Aldi. We're going to add this meat to a large pot, cover with cold filtered water, and bring to a boil. So after we boil our meat, we are supposed to dump that water. Put the meat aside, scrub the pot, and then re-simmer the meat. I say nay in medieval fashion. I don't want to lose flavor, and it's a peasant dish. They weren't worried about that stuff. They wanted to get everything in their bones they could. And I will catch you back in about an hour. Just kidding, I'm not waiting an hour. Time's short. We're just going to give it one last skim and then add an onion with some cloves in it, our bouquet garni, salt, of course. I really don't know how much. Just gonna add that much. Now Bourdain would also have us put all of our vegetables in there. I want them to be nice and tender and maintain their integrity. So we're gonna cook them separately when we get to around like the 30-minute mark to finish our meat. So then we will see you in 2 hours. Welcome back. This is what I did in the time I was waiting for stuff to simmer. Meal prep for the week, and I felt kind of good about it. I was gonna listen to a podcast, maybe no. Just cooked, cleaned, waited for that to simmer, and we're done. And just to make things easy, I'm gonna throw our meat to the side. It's getting there, it's breaking down. You can see it's coming off the bone. It's starting to break apart. Still want it to have its integrity though. Then we're going to cook our vegetables in the broth. So just strain it once through. It's not gonna be perfect, it's not gonna be beautiful, but it's gonna taste good. While we add our vegetables, comment of the week. XXIP7EJ. Yo, I just commented on your chicken soup video. Go see my comment. Remember how far you've come. Remember how far you'll be a year from now. Love from Japan. Thank you, my friend. Thank you very much for the comment. Gonna cook these vegetables for about 30 minutes till they're tender, and then we're going to plate this thing. We would plate everything really nicely in a great giant platter for everyone to dive in, which I did. My family, I thought they'd be underwhelmed by the whole thing, but they really enjoyed it. They cleared their plates. It's really nice, very lovely. And today brought me a little peace and calm doing this dish. That being said, YouTube has analyzed your algorithm and has reduced you to a number. They chose this video here that they think you're going to enjoy. You can subscribe over here. Thank you for following me. We have one more recipe left. One more recipe left, and then something fun's gonna happen. This was Back to Bourdain.
Stay organized, you clean up after yourself, you do the best you can.